Most stylish suits outfit ideas for men. Our outfit number 1. Olive blazer with olive pant and olive loafers. Outfit number 2. Navy suits with navy pant and brown shoes. Outfit number 3. Black jacket with black pant and black shoes. Outfit number 4. Navy blazer with navy pant and white sneakers. Outfit number 5. Gray suits with gray pant and brown loafers. Outfit number 6. Black suits with black pant and black shoes. Outfit number 7. Navy suits with navy pant and black loafers. I hope you enjoy this video. Please like and subscribe and see you in the next video. Thank you.